I'm Barry Grossman. I'm from Ellenoff Grossman Schole. We are a New York-based law firm. We currently have about 140, 145 attorneys. We are, as I said, based in New York. We started in 1992. As I always tell people, we were really like an arranged marriage. My partner, Doug Ellenoff, put an ad in what used to be called the New York Law Journal. Now everything's online. A friend of mine answered it. She decided it wasn't right for her. And then my partner, Alan Schole, his ex-girlfriend, who he claims fraudulently induced him to move to New York, then broke up with him, and saw the ad, told him about it. He almost didn't answer it because of her. Three of us met once, twice, had no friends in common from college, high school, law school, socially, and we said it's a perfect match. And 33 years later, we are still together. We specialize, about half the firm are corporate securities lawyers, so we have about 70, 75 of us. We do M&A work, we do financing work, we do broker-dealer work, we do employment, we do litigation, we do labor employment, really anything a small business possibly needs. Our offices are located in New York and also in California. Our real focus is on the capital market side of the world. We've done literally 200 to 300 financings per year on the private side. On the public side, we probably do about an equivalent amount. The 75 attorneys who work in our capital markets practice work on everything from pre-revenue companies to late-stage companies to public companies. So it's a little bit of everything. One of the main reasons I'm here is we represent about 35 different investment banks, probably more at this point, and 40 to 45 maybe funds. And those funds are early-stage funds, private equity funds, family offices, and they're looking for product. Right now in the U.S., it's a weird environment. There's more money, and this sounds ridiculous, than people know what to do with, but we're seeing financings occur for companies that a year ago, 2 years ago, could never get financings. And companies are coming from Europe, from Asia, from South America, from any place you can name, and they're raising money at a ridiculously quick pace. And so any sort of financing, you bring us a deal, we'll tell you what the cost is going to look like. You tell us, who's involved, and we can make these introductions for you. We can bring you to small funds, big funds, middle-sized funds, and the same with the different banks that we represent. We do work for Citibank on larger deals. We do work for banks that most people haven't heard of on smaller deals. And that's our basic story.